how to create a seller account on Eldorado.gg. If you want to sell game items or accounts on Eldorado, we need a verified seller account. So without setting it up correctly, we won't be able to list the products or receive the payment. So let's do it step by step. Open up your browser, go to Eldorado.gg, hit enter, and when you do, you will be taken to their official site, which is this one right here. So we need to sign up first. So look out for the sign up option. Once the screen loads up in the top right corner, the login option, click on it and verify that you are a human. Complete up the CAPTCHA verification first, and we may start the process. So first of all, if you do not have an account, you may sign up using Google, Apple ID, or Facebook, or even your email address. Just go ahead and do so and log in into your account first like this, and our account should be available here. Once you are logged in, from here, we need to switch over to seller mode. So look out for your profile icon in the top right, select it, and here select this option of become a seller from the given menu and open it up, and you can start up the verification. So for that, click on this option, and once you click on the start verification option, we need to enter up the required details. You can just go over and read this things right here and click on continue to verification. Now once you do so, what you need to do is these are some of the things they expect from the sellers, and you need to know these things before starting verification. Again, continue with it and start the process. So here it will ask you questions for verification. If you're selling it as an individual or as a company, select one of the options and click on next. And once you do so, you need to select the categories you'll be selling it. So if it's for currency, select currency, or accounts, items, top-ups, gift cards, etc. and click on next. Once you do so, you need to explain about your selling experience as well. If this is your first selling or you have worked on other platforms as well, select it and click on next. Now here, provide in your details. So first of all, provide in your details your first name, your middle name if present, and your last name, and your date of birth. So provide it up. Just go over and select up your date of birth, your month, your day as well, and your nationality. Select nationality, what nationality you are. And once you select up your nationality, you need to type in your street address, your city, your country, and your postal code, and select next. Now once you do so, on the next step, what we need to do is we need to take a photo and provide it in. So we need to complete this verification process. It is very necessary. So you need to provide in your legal ID, such as a driver license or a government issued ID or passport, or international student ID, which verifies you, which speaks about your identity. And just go over and choose up a file and select up a JPEG, PNG, or HEIC file, and it cannot extend 10 MB. And once it is completed up, click on next step and agree to the seller terms and conditions and verify your identity. Once you do so, you can start going ahead and listing the products, and you can choose the game and the product type and set price and delivery method and publish the listing, and that is it. And that's it. Now our seller ID on Eldorado.gg is now ready. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.